Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So the topic of today is HTML basic. We are going to discuss the basics of HTML. In basics it include doctype, which is a document file created on a web page using HTML, which includes head, title, body and structure, is showing on your screen. So this is the start sign of HTML. As you can see, or same sign with // is used to close HTML file. The visible part of the HTML document is between body and / body. Any text we write between these two syntax, we will get it display on our web. It encodes heading from H1 to H6 in a sequence. The size of heading H1 is bigger in size than H2, after that H3, and same as go on, and simply size will be decreased. The most capital will be H1 and the most small will be H6. Also have paragraph tags. Same as we use H for heading, we will use P for paragraph. Anything we will type, we will get it in form of paragraph on our web page. You can use BR tag to break the line, or shift or move to the next line, or HR tag is used to separate two paragraphs. By using this text horizontal line get created an easily separate paragraph or lines. Attributes are used to provide additional information about HTML elements, like height attribute is used to represent the height, and the width attribute is used to represent the width, and in image src is used to represent source file. Basically, you can edit or resize the image using these attributes. Right now I am telling you few types of attribute. Like on number 1 we have class attribute. Then we have ID attribute on number 2, after that moving to third one is style attribute, and title attribute is on number 4. At number 5, we got lang attribute. Or on a number 6 there is href attribute, and image attribute is on number 7 placement. So this all is in the basics of HTML. So guys, I told you about the basics of HTML. In this video, hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly support, like, share and subscribe.